Hey, I'm David Goodman from Crash Gardening. This hoe here is an adze hoe, or a triangular hoe. This is also really good for chopping ground, but not for quite the high impact of the grub hoe. This one is excellent for slicing and chopping and tearing through roots and ground that you're breaking, but it's also really good for just going along and making yourself furrows for seed planting. It's excellent. I find myself using this one quite a bit. This one is really fast. It goes into the ground rapidly and allows you to tear at the ground because the end of it meets almost no resistance thanks to the point. It's also strong enough to handle beating up the ground quickly, and I actually like this one more in my sandy soil for breaking up garden beds. If I was going to break straight hard sod, I'd probably use the grub hoe, but this one here is excellent, and it also allows you to mark out furrows and move the ground gently. And I think it also has a little bit more control if you were going to go around the edge of a plant than a great big square pointed type. So this is also a very good tool, and it's really fast. It goes right into the ground like a knife.